What's up guys? Today I have this shit 17 Pro Max. The problem is it got liquid detect in charging port. So I wanna show you look liquid detect in charging port. So today I wanna fix this problem 17 Pro Max. This is latest model, but it also have this problem liquid detect even it's not filled on in water. So what I have to do, I have to clean charging port as well. So we can use MBC motherboard cleaner, contact cleaner. So the one I'm using, this is contact cleaner. After that I have to use brush. Be careful, use brush, don't use hard brush, just like normal brush you should use, so it will be careful and it will be safe. So we have to clean charging port as well. So after cleaning it will be fixed, no need to change charging flags or anything. Even this phone is under warranty. So after wash the charging port we have to use dryer. So we can use heat gun also, just put a normal temperature and use high air. So it's done almost. So now I'm gonna test whether it works or not. So this is what we have to do. If you also got same message, so just clean charging port as well. So wait until it's turned on. Mobile is finally turned on. So now it's even charging. There is no liquid detect error. We can wait like 1-2 seconds, but it's working. There is no liquid detect message anymore. So this is how we have to fix. Very simple way you can do by self even. So that's all. If you like video, don't forget to hit subscriber button and bell icon. See you next time.